is not vegan. This is not Vatican. This is not Italy. Yes, this is Malabon. You don't need to travel afar to take some glimpse of century houses in Vigan, to see some works of art in the venerable city of Vatican, and to taste the pasta marinara of Italy.
Join us as we experience and taste the uniqueness of Malabon. San Bartolome Church is a Roman Catholic church which is located in Poblacion, Malabon. The church's titular patron, Saint Bartholomew the Apostle, whose feast day falls on 24th day of August.
The parish of the Immaculate Conception was constructed 1600s by the townspeople of Malabon. The image was installed in the main altar in 1700s. The image of the parish of the Immaculate Conception of Malabon, Metro Manila, was formerly known as the La Purísima Concepcion. It was canonically crowned on December 7, 1986 through a papal bull issued in September 1986.